Are you tired of searching for the Disable button and only finding Delete? Learn how to disable your Discord account in 30 seconds. I'll walk you through the exact steps from logging in to confirming Disable. No fluff, just the path. First, go ahead and open Discord in your browser or the desktop app. Then, click on the gear icon next to your username to open User Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the Account tab on the left. Now, scroll down in the Account Settings and click on the Disable Account button, which temporarily disables your Discord account. You'll be prompted to enter your account password for verification. Finally, click the Disable Account button again to confirm and complete the process. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.